Hey guys, do you ever buy these wonderful beads? I love making these beads. They're discs and they're large discs about a 1 inch across. But then what do you do with them? To be able to hang them around your neck or make earrings out of them, you want to have the discs sitting vertically so they can see the beauty of them. In this video, I'm going to show you a couple of ways, well, one way in particular, how I make them into earrings. And I start by getting a piece about 6 inches long of silver wire. I usually use just a bead along wire. It's a silver plate, or you can use sterling silver. Run it through the middle of the disc and bend it back up. I'm sorry about my video. If you would prefer a better video, let me know in the comments and I will make one. I didn't realize that my hands were off the camera area. But yeah, just bend the wire up and then wrap it over and do a couple of wraps between the disc and the bead that you're adding. Then add a bead, and then you grab your needle nose and wrap it. Oops, off there again. Okay, now your beads are ready for the earrings. Put your earrings on, and I have put up a few pieces of eye candy here of beads I've made. And thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, and that will help me make more videos, and I get better every time.